5 qualities a financial analyst must possess. A career as a financial analyst is already challenging, but in a field as competitive as this one, staying on top of the game can seem impossible. It is the job of analysts to predict the future, track the progress of a company's performance, and provide senior management with key knowledge that will enable them to make strategic decisions. In this video, we look at 5 qualities that all the best financial analysts share. So without further ado, number 1. Analytical and strategic thinker. Self-explanatory, I think. A financial analyst's job involves collecting and interpreting data, so the ability to distinguish patterns and make the correct conclusions is essential, regardless of which industry they work for. An analyst should be able to use the data to come up with strategic business solutions after considering the problem from every angle. A company's future depends on these professionals' ability to provide its management and stakeholders with accurate information based on careful observation and educated guesses. In order to make accurate forecasts, financial analysts must combine their knowledge of the markets with their analytical ability. They must be comfortable using and understanding financial information and using that knowledge to solve complicated problems. Data has no use or value if it isn't used to provide answers and guide the company towards the next objective. Number 2. Great communication skills. Having the best analytical brain in the world won't do you any good if you cannot convey the information properly. A financial analyst must be able to communicate effectively during presentations, emails, and customer relations. Their success depends on their ability to write well and present their analysis in a concise and easy-to-understand manner. This will be especially useful when dealing with customers, but can also greatly benefit the analyst in all other aspects of his job as well. During meetings or presentations with supervisors and shareholders, it is important to support conclusions reached with facts. And a savvy analyst shouldn't hesitate to use stories relatable to the audience to explain complex subjects. Your coworkers and bosses need to be able to understand your thinking process, and that can only happen if you communicate well. Number 3. Keeps up with new technology. Computers are used for the majority of financial analyses. Almost unimaginable amounts of data are handled by powerful software and databases. Finance analysts need to have a good grasp of technology. These include both mobile devices and desktop or laptop computers and software. Some companies develop their own analysis algorithms or develop their own proprietary software. For a financial analyst, it is important to stay current on technology and to be willing to learn new software or programming languages. At the same time, a lot of companies now require their analysts to be proficient in SQL, Python, and SAS. These computer languages can help analysts compile, process, and manage large amounts of data. Of course, most of your data will still be handheld using Microsoft Excel, so knowing your way around the spreadsheet program is mandatory. Number 4. Has excellent decision-making skills. During your financial analyst responsibilities, you analyze information and make sound decisions regarding what to do next. By staying on top of the finance industry and utilizing your budgeting, investing, and planning skills, you are able to recommend financial strategies to others. Whenever a difficult situation arises, you are able to use all your tools and information to make fast decisions and help the company quickly navigate out of it. Since financial analysts also advise other people on their investments, they need to be confident in their projections. And since analysts are often paid according to how accurate their projections turn out to be, getting better at making these decisions can have significant benefits for their careers. Number 5. Pays attention to detail. Whenever working with numbers, attention to detail is crucial. A small error could mean your entire calculations could be wrong and end up costing the company a large sum of money. Any mistake could have significant implications on your predictions. Being familiar with the streams of data that you work with and noticing any changes in them can help analysts avoid these errors. Because paying attention to detail is directly linked with the quality of work produced by an analyst, a lot of companies seek this quality in financial analysts. Apart from the general capabilities that all financial analysts must possess, these are our top 5 qualities that will make companies jump at the chance to have you work for them. We hope with this video to provide you with the guidance to ace your next job interview or impress your boss. An analyst with all of these qualities will have an easy time adapting to new environments and working with multidisciplinary teams.